All right, another great product that I'd like to show you from ProComp is the SS-6, which is a 6-way switch panel. It comes with a touch screen that you can mount anywhere in the vehicle and run on any 12-volt system. Super clean, easy to install, and super easy to wire all of your accessories in, all your 12-volt accessories in, and be able to control them from a single source. So this is the unit here installed on our ProComp JL that we were testing out here in Moab. Great success, and I'd like to show you how it functions on our display here. So this is the switch panel itself, which it comes with a little sheet with different stickers, so you can put whatever you want on any of these, and you can wire, again, any accessory that you want. So you want to turn the headlight on, just a touch away, turn off, turn on, horn, rock lights, anything you want to wire in. It's super simple, super easy, makes it super convenient. Again, it comes with a Cat 5 cable that plugs in here, runs anywhere in the vehicle, sticks on, touchscreen. Really nice product. It'll be backed by our standard ProComp Promise warranty and should be available in all stores sometime around June.